eggs first, Daddy.
What are we making today?
Chocolate eggs.
Scrambled eggs?
Chocolate eggs.
Okay, good try. Here, put the oil in. Is there any in there? Just enough to get the non-stick right. Dump the water. Go ahead, crack the egg. There it is. Split it. Dump it in the sink. Throw it in the sink. Get the next one. Go ahead. Open it. Cooking with kids. In the sink. 2 more. Here's another one. Go ahead. One at a time. Hold the bowl. Hold the bowl. There you go. Throw in the sink. 1 more. Go ahead.
Cause you want kids.
You're a good chef.
I am.
All right. Good job. This is a very important tip. You always want to make sure your pot is hot before you put your eggs in. Is it hot?
No.
I think it is. Go ahead. That's a sign it's hot. Instant. We're going to lower our heat a little bit so it doesn't burn. And this is how you get an American scramble. Nice and fluffy and built up. Just move it back and forth. You don't need to flip it yet. Just back and forth. Back and forth. There you go. Get the wet spot. Get the wet spots too. Hey, good job, man. What are you making again?
Chocolate eggs.
What is it?
Chocolate eggs.
Scrambled eggs?
Yeah.
It smells really good.
I know.
What are we adding next?
A cheese.
Go ahead. Evenly put it over the eggs. And that's about good. Scrambled eggs with cheese.